Morning guys, here we are at BRC for the 5th leg of FTW, and time check, it is 5:40 a.m. and we'll be doing a track walk. Well, we'll just jog in the morning because we haven't had any exercise. She hasn't had any exercise in the past 2 days, so we figured to do a track walk in the morning. Let's go. Meron nagka-track walk there. Here we are at pretty much my favorite corner, R-Bend. Basically, the second turn of BRC. It's downhill, it's slightly banking, and it's downhill, then exit is uphill. Very nice. On video you can't really see it, but well, it's not so halata on video, but in real life you feel it, especially here when I'm track walking now. Really nice. So here is Brian's corner. Yeah, this is the most dangerous corner of BRC. It's called Brian's corner because the first person here to crash was Brian, and claimed a lot of people. Those walls claimed a lot of people. That's why they put gravel here, or soil-ish gravel. Yeah, so it slows down the car before you hit the tire barrier. This is the sweeper, pretty much the fastest corner at BRC. The corner around, dapat di ka bumababa ng 140. 150 here. Pretty fast turn. Pretty scary sometimes. Yeah, seen a couple of people crash here. They overshot. They weren't able to turn in, and they roll around here. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, that's like a short track walk. Well, we took the short course after Brian's. There's a U-turn there, so we can go straight to the sweeper, skipping the chicane and the casino and bus stop sectors. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. It's already, what time is it? It's about to be 6:30. I have to go back to the hotel and get ready. Wow, it's a good time. It's my first time going around the track, walking around, or jogging around, I guess. It's pretty cool. So first session, first lap, we broke the car. I don't know if it's broken. I am broken. I'm broken mentally. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm tired of this. I don't want to race anymore. I want to go home and cry. But yeah, anyways, first session of the day. I don't know. I don't understand. But yeah, we boiled the brakes, the brake fluid. We shot the brakes. The first hot lap, casino overshot. I think meron sila, but not too sure. But yun na nga, yeah. We'll see if we need to bleed the brakes now. If we can go out one more session later before the important sessions, no. But yeah, first hot lap, we overshot again casino. When I started to brake, the brakes bit, nagbite naman siya, it bite. Slowed down for the first second, and after that, plowed through. Went to the gravel trap. Well, you guys will see in the video that I'm gonna show. It's insane. Damn. I don't know, we're checking if something's broken with the car. Yeah, but I'm fucking broken. Look at me. This shit. This is Lino. This is Edrick. This is Edrick. This is Lino. Lino got 144.3. Si Edrick, 147. Dati. But, you know why? Hindi. Because one of the biggest problems of the Cup 2 is, after a couple of track days, it really falls off big. You know why? I felt that sa Huracan. Yes. Let's go! M2 represent, what up?
So, how was the second session?
Well, it's much better, definitely. We have hope. We got a 145.2, so that's pretty good. For me, I'm okay with that. Very conservative driving, but at the same time, it was very, very, very hot. We went out 10:30, so yeah, that's peak. Well, not really peak, but yeah, that's very hot. And I felt it with the cornering grip. It's sliding around, but we're chill. We're recalibrating my brain again on how to drive. Hopefully, we drive a lot better again. We get to drive properly in the next few sessions. It's the seat time that I needed to erase what happened the first session. And hopefully we can come back on the last two sessions. Overall, pretty happy with the second session. It's more than I expected. I thought I wouldn't be able to hit 45 again, but now we're at the 45.2 with very conservative driving at the same time. Well, not very, but semi-push at the same time we were sliding around. So hopefully we can get down to the 44s again in the next few sessions. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go! 143! Wow! Wow! 143! 143.58! 143.58! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Yeah! I don't care if I don't win. It's a... Damn, I didn't know that we could do a 143. That's the point. I didn't know that it was possible. I just had faith. I had faith in my friends. I had faith in God. I had faith in my girlfriend. I had faith in my family. I had faith in the car. I had faith in DJ. I had faith in Luis. I had faith in everybody that believed in me. I had faith in Lino, Edrick, and everybody that trusted me. Everybody that trusted me. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. Lord, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Let's go, baby. What up? Congrats, congrats, congrats to myself. Ah. 43.5. 43.5. Let's go. Let's go. 43.5. Let's go. Let's go.
Babe, good job.
Congrats.
Congrats for second.
Huh?
For second.
Yeah, you're second.
What did he get?
43-1.
Go! Wow!
43-5.
So fast. Kaya na.
Pero pare, it doesn't matter.
Oh,
Congrats.
thanks, man.
I didn't expect this car to do 43.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about it. Like, is it impossible for TV? He was like, yeah, it's impossible.
I don't think
That's
it's
not
gonna do
40.
40.
Yeah.
Shit!
Thanks.
Bobo ka ba? Hindi ka bobo ka? Suspension na next.
Suspension na tayo na win. 43-1. Gago, tulin.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Tulin pa rin. Hindi, pangit kasi yun eh. Pangit mo 44 ka, tapos siya 43. At least 43.
Kailangan talaga. Kailangan mo.
Oo nga, 200.
Parang may series pa siya na ano.
Oo, baon eh, no?
May bago pa siya may series.
Yeah. Pero congrats pa rin. 43 is not a
Stock power. Pwede may
I'm so tired na. Wow. I exerted all my effort na. Hindi ko na kaya. I can't. I don't know if we can do 43 low, dude. Parang, it's so sketchy na eh. Yeah. So sketchy na. It's like tagilid na eh. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. What a day. What a day.
Congrats.
What a day. Thanks, man. Congrats to Lino. Congrats to Lino. We both hit 143. He hit 143.1. From 144.1 to 143.1. Me, 144.4 to 143.5. It's insane, man. It's crazy. What a crazy jump, man, for the last session. Didn't expect that. It's too insane. Congrats, Lino. Congrats, boy. Congrats. Let's go. Let's go. Insane.
143.608. Rafi Rabbit. UPB again? Yeah.
Just make it stop. Just make it stop somehow. Wanna think about it. Don't think I can think about it. I know you don't talk about it. One more. Just keep on wasting my mind. Wanna talk about it.
Wow, what a day. Day so tiring, super tiring. Basically, last lap, last session again. Today, first session was 145, which was okay. Oh no, first session we overshot, so we had no time. But second session was 145. Third session, 144. Then the pinaka last session, we did the 143.5, which was, we didn't even know that we could reach 143 with this car. Like, I didn't believe it, but you know, just had faith. had faith. It's insane to reach 143 with this car. It's nuts, man. It's nuts. But hopefully, in the nearby future, I don't know if it's possible 142 high, maybe, but it's too scary na at this point. It's too scary na to try and reach a 42 with this current setup. So we have to change it. We need suspension. It's too sketchy na. It's really too sketchy. With a broken HAS kit, our alignment every session is different. You could see it with the rear right, the camber's different, the toe's different also. So it's kind of weird. That's why in every session, oversteers, it gets a lot more snappier. But wow, what a day. It's so tiring but super satisfied with all of the results. We exceeded our expectations today. We thought we were gonna just go 144 low, but we went with a mid 143, which is insane. And everyone improved. Pep was able to improve to top 3 now, basically 140.4 or top 4 ata siya, which is insane. That's wow for the GTR. Everyone just improved. Everyone in the Autoholic Racing Paddock Club improved. It's insane. Wow. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to my sponsors. Thanks to RSA. Thanks to Autoplus. Thanks to Autoholic Racing Paddock Club. Thanks to Autoholic. Thanks to Box and Stop. Thanks to Ravenol. Thanks to everyone that supported. Thanks to, of course, my beautiful videographer. Also my girlfriend, Antoinette. Thank you. Thanks to my family. Thanks to my main sponsor, my Lola. Thank you, Nanay, for everything. Wow, what a day. For me, even if we lost first place, it's fine. Congrats to Lino with a 143.1. Wow, what a crazy day. Ganda ng roller coaster. It's really satisfied. And we'll bounce back. We'll get faster, feel ko, the next time. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Peace out, baby. Bye.